Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we will explore Advanced Micro Devices in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 2nd of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 26th of March, 2025, our system has ranked Advanced Micro Devices as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.46. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen a decline of 6.56%. This results in an average loss of 1.09% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. Since the 26th of March, 2025, our system has ranked Advanced Micro Devices as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.46. This results in an average loss of 1.09% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decline within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 16.85% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 27.17% to a decrease of 9.12%. In the context of a longer-term perspective, our 12-month analysis projects a decline of 30.69%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from a decrease of 37.84% to a decline of 4.6% over the next year. In current terms, this would mean the future price could fall between $64.78 and $98.78. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Advanced Micro Devices Stock Price After Wednesday Trading. On the last trading day, Wednesday, the 2nd of April, 2025, the Advanced Micro Devices stock price increased by 175/100%, rising from $102.78 to $102.96. During this trading session, the stock fluctuated by 3.39%, with a low of $100.76 and a high of $104.18. Over the past fortnight, the price has experienced volatility, resulting in a loss of 3.08%. The trading volume decreased by 4 million shares, with a total of 19 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $2 billion and $1 million. It is important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence, serving as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $187.28, while the lowest was $94.73. Currently, the price stands at 45.02% or $84.32, below the 52-week high, and 54.70% or $124.34 below the all-time high recorded on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $227.30. Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, is positioning itself to capitalize on the rapidly expanding artificial intelligence market, aiming for significant stock price growth through the year 2027. The synergy between high-performance computing and GPU technologies is crucial as demand for AI data center solutions surges. Analysts suggest AMD stock could reach $200 amidst this generational AI megatrend. While there are potential risks, such as geopolitical tensions affecting supply chains, the adoption of AMD's ROCm ecosystem continues to thrive, especially in AI-driven applications. Additionally, while AMD has not submitted benchmark results for recent ML Commons tests, a crucial measure of performance against competitors like NVIDIA, its success in collaborations, such as with Mango Boost achieving record ML performance results on AMD GPUs, highlights its competitive edge in AI infrastructure. CEO Lisa Su noted that there might be short-term impacts from tariffs on chips, but did not elaborate on longer-term effects, indicating a cautious outlook. However, AMD's participation in major deals, like the recent acquisition of ZT Systems for $4.9 billion, signals a strategic push to enhance its market share against NVIDIA. In the short term, these developments could cause volatility as the market assesses AMD's performance versus competitors. Long term, AMD's focus on AI technology and its strategic partnerships may lead to enhanced investor confidence and a rising stock price, particularly as AI applications become central to various industries. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 27th of March 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned a hold grade to AMD with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 11th of March 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned a neutral grade to AMD with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 19th of February 2025, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned an overweight grade to AMD with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 19th of February 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned an overweight grade to AMD with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 19th of February 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned a buy grade to AMD with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Advanced Micro Devices stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also given the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, also known as MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which could impact short-term developments. The stock of Advanced Micro Devices currently holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at $106.19 and $105.28. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, March 25, 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by 10.32%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 7 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 8 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 106 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 100 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. Advanced Micro Devices finds support from accumulated volume at $100.75. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is considered medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.42 between its high and low, representing a change of 3.39%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 3.05%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. an extremely high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such high ratios. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of April, 2025. Analysts are forecasting consensus estimates at 93 cents. It is essential to monitor these figures, as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for advanced micro devices. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for advanced micro devices is at $112.01. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, advanced micro devices encounters its first support level at $100.75. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for advanced micro devices, based on multiple analyst sources, is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of March, 2025, Papermaster Mark D made an insider purchase of 17,500 shares of common stock. On the same day, Papermaster Mark D also sold 15,708 shares of common stock. Additionally, on that day, he sold 1,792 shares of common stock. On the 14th of March, 2025, Papermaster Mark D conducted another sell of 17,500 shares from Stock Option Grant. On the 12th of March, 2025, Vanderslice Elizabeth W. sold 12,000 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power appears negative, with a ratio of negative 15.412. In total, insiders purchased 978,454 shares and sold 1,382,875 shares in these last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good buy? Advanced Micro Devices presents several concerning indicators and is currently situated within a broad and declining trend, leading us to believe it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have adjusted our valuation of this stock from a strong sell to a sell candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 3rd of April, we anticipate that Advanced Micro Devices will open lower by approximately 33 cents, starting the trading session at $102.63. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.